Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how you can play your Steam library on your Mac. First things first, let's head over to our web browser. You're going to want to go to your search engine and search for GeForce Now. Click on the first link that pops up. I'll also leave a link to this website in the description below for easy access. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service that allows you to connect to a Windows PC remotely. Basically, you can control it using your Mac as if you're playing directly on your Mac. This is a great solution for playing Windows games that aren't normally accessible on your Mac. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for a GeForce Now account. This will make the setup process a lot smoother. Just click on the Join Now button in the top right corner. You'll see some membership tiers, but we're going to focus on the free tier for this tutorial. If you end up loving the service, you can always upgrade to a priority or ultimate tier later on. So, click on the Join button under the free tier and then create your GeForce account by following the step-by-step instructions.
Alright, on suivait aussi NetUp, head back to the GeForce Now homepage.
We need to download the GeForce Now app onto your Mac. Click on the download link at the very top. This will take you to the download page. It might prompt you to launch the GeForce Now app in your web browser, which you can do on other devices, but I strongly recommend downloading the app to your Mac as it's much more stable. Scroll down to the Platforms section. You'll see all the devices you can play on. Click on the Download button under Mac and download the installer to your desktop. Great! Now that the installer is downloaded, go ahead and open it up. Drag and drop the GeForce Now logo into the Applications folder. This will install the app onto your Mac. Once that's done, exit out of the installer and delete it. Okay, with the installer gone, let's open the GeForce Now app. Open Spotlight, Command plus Spacebar, and type in GeForce. Then, open the application. It'll ask if you want to open the app from the internet, so click Open. After a few seconds, the GeForce app will launch, looking like this. Click on the Get In button. This will open your default web browser and prompt you to log into your GeForce Now account. Go ahead and do that now. Awesome! Now that you're logged in, you have access to the GeForce Now application. To play your Steam games, we need to link your Steam account to your GeForce Now account. Click on Connect to your store account. You'll see a list of different store accounts that you can connect. We want Steam, so click on Connect. This will open the Steam website in your browser. Go ahead and sign into your Steam account there. Perfect! Once you're signed in, go back to the GeForce Now application. As you can see, your Steam account is now successfully connected. You should see how many games are synced. Keep in mind that not all Steam games are available on GeForce Now, but they're constantly updating the library. Now, click on the menu icon in the top left-hand corner, and then click on Games. You can now browse your Steam games that you currently own and have access to on GeForce Now. When you're ready to play a game, simply hover over the game you want to play and click on the Play button. This will connect to your network, perform a server test, and put you in a queue for the next available gaming rig. You can always upgrade to a paid tier if you want instant access to your games without waiting in a queue. So there you have it. That's how you can play your Steam games on your Mac using GeForce Now. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Rome tips. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.